What's something people don't know about ketchup? Imagine a sunny field, rows of tomato plants heavy with ripe red fruit. The sun bathes the field in a golden glow, nurturing the plants and helping them grow to their fullest potential. This is where our ketchup story begins. Farmers carefully select only the best tomatoes, ensuring they are perfectly ripe and juicy. Each tomato is inspected for quality, as only the finest will make the cut. These tomatoes, destined for greatness beyond the salad bowl, are carefully harvested, often with the help of machines. The harvesting process is a blend of traditional handpicking and modern technology, ensuring efficiency and care. Once picked, the tomatoes begin their journey to the factory. They are gently placed into baskets to avoid bruising, preserving their perfect condition. Large trucks, specially designed to transport delicate produce, are loaded high with the just-picked bounty. These trucks are equipped to handle the weight and volume of the harvest. These trucks are climate-controlled, keeping the tomatoes at the ideal temperature and humidity to prevent damage during transport. This ensures that the tomatoes remain fresh and vibrant, just as they were in the field. It's like a first-class ride for these lucky tomatoes. They travel in style, ensuring they arrive at their destination in the best possible condition. The journey from farm to factory can be long, sometimes spanning hundreds of miles. The trucks navigate through rural roads and countryside, carrying their precious cargo. Throughout the trip, the tomatoes are monitored to ensure they arrive in peak condition. Sensors and careful checks are in place to maintain the perfect environment inside the truck. Upon arrival, the real transformation begins, turning these humble fruits into the beloved condiment we know as ketchup. The factory is where the magic happens, and the tomatoes are ready for their next adventure. But first, those tomatoes need a good cleaning and a little spa treatment. They are washed thoroughly to remove any dirt and impurities, preparing them for the processing stage. Let's just say they'll be ready for their close-up after the next step. The tomatoes are now clean, fresh, and ready to be transformed into the delicious ketchup we all love. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating journeys from farm to table. Once at the factory, the tomatoes are given a thorough cleaning. Think of it as a spa day for tomatoes. They are washed and rinsed multiple times to remove any dirt, leaves, or debris picked up during harvesting and transport. Next comes the peeling process. The tomatoes take a quick dip in a hot water bath which loosens the skins. Then they pass through special machines that gently remove the peels, leaving behind only the juicy red flesh. Now these peeled tomatoes are ready for the next stage of their transformation. They've been cleaned, prepped, and are prepped for cooking. Get ready for the heat. The tomatoes are about to embark on a culinary adventure, turning into that thick, luscious paste we all know and love. The peeled tomatoes are now pumped into large cooking vats. Here they are slowly simmered at a controlled temperature. This process helps to evaporate excess water, concentrating the tomato flavor and creating a thick, rich paste. As the tomatoes cook, the aroma in the factory is simply divine. The sweet, tangy scent of tomatoes fills the air, hinting at the deliciousness to come. Large paddles gently stir the mixture, ensuring even cooking and preventing any sticking. The cooking time can vary depending on the desired consistency of the ketchup, but it can take several hours to achieve that perfect texture. Throughout the process, factory workers, who are essentially ketchup chefs, carefully monitor the cooking, making adjustments as needed. Once the tomato paste has reached the ideal thickness, it's time to move on to the really exciting part: adding the flavor. This is where the real magic happens. In this bustling factory, every step is meticulously planned and executed to ensure the highest quality ketchup. The cooked tomato paste is transferred to giant mixing tanks. These tanks are designed to handle large quantities, ensuring that the production process is both efficient and consistent. Here, it's time to add the secret sauce, a carefully measured blend of vinegar, sugar, and spices. Each ingredient is weighed with precision to maintain the perfect balance of flavors. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in creating that unmistakable ketchup flavor. The combination of these elements is what gives ketchup its unique taste that we all love. Vinegar provides the tangy kick that balances out the sweetness, giving the ketchup its signature zing, while sugar adds just the right amount of sweetness and helps to preserve the ketchup. This sweetness is essential to counteract the acidity of the tomatoes and vinegar. And then there are the spices. These are the unsung heroes that elevate the flavor profile of the ketchup. While the exact combination varies depending on the brand and recipe, Each spice is chosen for its unique contribution to the overall taste. Common spices include onion powder, which adds a subtle depth and richness, garlic powder, which brings a savory note, and allspice and cloves, which add warmth and complexity. These spices add depth and complexity to the flavor profile, making each bite of ketchup a delightful experience. The mixture is thoroughly blended, ensuring that all the ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the tomato paste. This step is crucial for achieving a uniform taste, ensuring that all the ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the tomato paste. This meticulous blending process guarantees that every bottle of ketchup tastes the same, no matter where you buy it. This process is crucial for achieving consistent flavor in every single bottle. Quality control checks are performed at every stage to ensure the highest standards are met. At this point, the ketchup is nearly ready for its grand debut. The final mixture is examined to ensure it meets all quality standards. But first, it has to pass a series of rigorous quality control checks. These tests ensure that the ketchup is safe to eat and tastes just right. Only the best make it to your plate. The final product is bottled, labeled, and packed, ready to be shipped to stores and eventually, to your home. Section 5. Quality is key. Ensuring the perfect bottle of ketchup. Ketchup production is a serious business, and quality control is paramount. Every step of the process is meticulously monitored to ensure that the final product is nothing short of perfect. Before it can be bottled, the ketchup undergoes a series of rigorous tests to ensure it meets the highest standards. These tests are designed to check for consistency, flavor, and safety. Technicians in the factory laboratory check the ketchup's color, ensuring it has that signature, vibrant red hue that consumers expect. They also measure the consistency, pH level, and flavor. Each of these factors plays a crucial role in the overall quality of the ketchup. They want to make sure every batch has that vibrant red hue, the perfect pourability, and the right balance of tangy, sweet, and savory flavors. The taste test is perhaps the most critical. It ensures that the ketchup has that tangy, sweet, and savory taste we all know and love. This is what makes the ketchup stand out on the shelves. Any ketchup that doesn't meet the strict criteria is pulled aside. This ensures that only the best quality ketchup makes it to the consumers. The goal is to ensure that every single bottle that leaves the factory is of the highest quality. This commitment to quality is what keeps customers coming back for more. Once the ketchup gets the thumbs up from the quality control team, it means it has passed all the tests and is ready for the next stage. It's finally ready for the final stage of its journey, bottling. This is where the ketchup is carefully poured into bottles, ensuring no contamination. After bottling, the next steps are labeling and packaging. Each bottle is labeled with the brand's signature design and then packaged for distribution. It's almost time to meet the world. The finished ketchup bottles are now ready to be shipped to stores where they will eventually find their way to your kitchen table. Section 6. Bottling up the goodness, packaging, and labeling. Now, the ketchup is ready for its close-up. The finished product is pumped into clean, sterilized bottles made of either glass or plastic depending on the brand. These bottles are then sealed tightly to maintain freshness and prevent any leaks or spills. Next comes the labeling. Each bottle is adorned with the brand's label, which includes important information like the ingredients list, nutritional facts, and of course, the iconic ketchup brand name and logo. The labeled bottles are then grouped together and placed into cardboard boxes. These boxes are designed to protect the bottles during shipping and make it easy to transport large quantities of ketchup at once. The ketchup is finally ready to leave the factory and embark on its final journey to supermarkets and restaurants all over the country. Get ready to stock up your pantry. Section 7. Ready for the road distribution and arrival at your local shop. The boxes of ketchup are loaded onto trucks, ready to be distributed to shops and restaurants. These trucks are like the ketchup's own personal delivery service, making sure it gets to its final destination safely and efficiently. The journey from the factory to your local supermarket can be long or short, depending on where you live. But no matter the distance, the ketchup is carefully transported, ensuring it arrives in pristine condition. Once at the supermarket, the boxes are unloaded, unpacked, and placed on shelves, ready to be purchased by eager customers. And there you have it. The next time you grab a bottle of ketchup, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took from the farm to your table. Section 8. Ketchup, more than just a condiment. Ketchup is more than just a condiment, it's a cultural icon, a staple in kitchens worldwide, and a testament to the ingenuity of food production. From the farmers who grow the tomatoes to the factory workers who oversee every step of production, countless people contribute to bringing this beloved sauce to our tables. So the next time you add a dollop of ketchup to your burger, fries, or eggs, remember the journey it took to get there. It's a journey of flavor, innovation, and a whole lot of tomato love. And that, my friends, is the delicious story of ketchup. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating food journeys.